Now we shall discuss today. We shall actually revise molecular formulas. What do you mean by molecular formula? Molecular formula. So in simple terms, if I tell, it's the formula of the molecule. Now what does it tell? It tells us about the exact number of all the atoms of different element present in a molecule of a compound. तो जो compound है उसके एक मॉलिक्यूल में जितने तरह के एलिमेंट्स हैं उनके कितने एटम है एग्जैक्ट नंबर बता रहा है, टोटल एटम का नंबर बता रहा है हर एक एलिमेंट के बारे में. For example, if I talk about sucrose, it is C12H22O11. So in sucrose we have 12 carbon atom, 22 hydrogen atom and 11 oxygen atom in one molecule of sucrose. In glucose, C6H12O6 is a molecular formula. That is a 6 carbon atom, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen in one molecule of the compound glucose. Water, the formula is H2O. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Ethanol, C2H5OH. So it tells us about the exact number of all the atoms of different element in a molecule of a compound. That is molecular formula. Now empirical formula. So what is empirical formula? It tells us about the ratio of the number of atom of different element in a molecule of the compound. So it tells us about the simple whole number ratio of the different elements atom number. For example, I'll take first example as glucose. Now glucose has a molecular formula C6H12O6. Now it tells us about the exact number of all the atom. How many carbon, how many hydrogen, how many oxygen. Now here you can see the simple multiple. You have a common multiple over here 6. So you can divide it by 6. So you get CH2O. So for one carbon you have 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So this is called as empirical formula, which tells us about the ratios of the atom. So for one carbon, the ratio is 1:2:1. So this is an empirical formula that tells us about the ratio, the whole number ratio of the atoms of different element in a compound. Now if you take the sucrose, the molecular formula is C12H22O11. You do not have a common factor over here. So the molecular formula and empirical formula remain the same. So the simple whole number ratio is 12:22:11. That is C12H22O11. If you talk about water, water has molecular formula H2O. Again the simple ratio over here is 2:1. The complete here also it will be 2:1. No other simplification. On the contrary, if you talk about hydrogen peroxide, it is H2O2. Now here 2 is a common multiple, so the ratio is 1:1. That is HO is the empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide. Ethanol has C2H6O and the same remains as its empirical formula. Now acetic acid is C2H4O2. 4 you can see C2H4O2. 2 is a common multiple. The ratio is CH2O. So different compound can have same kind of empirical formula because it is only the ratio. ठीक है, तो ग्लूकोज और एसिटिक एसिड के दोनों के एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला सेम है, बट कभी भी मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला किसी भी दो मॉलिक्यूल का सेम नहीं होता. सो एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला टेल्स अस ओनली अबाउट द रेशियोज ऑफ द एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट. मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला टेल्स अस अबाउट द एग्जैक्ट नंबर. नेक्स्ट इज मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला मास. ठीक है, एक्चुअली मॉलिक्यूलर मास जिसको कहते हैं, तो मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला के हर एक एटम के मास को जब हम ऐड कर देते हैं वी गेट द मॉलिक्यूलर मास. For example, in case of H2O, the formula mass. So, molecular formula mass or molecular mass is the mass of the atoms of different elements. For example, H2O, you have 2 hydrogen atom. One H has a mass 1, so 2H will have 2 into 1. 1 O is there, so 1 O has a mass 16, so 1 into 16. So the total mass is the sum of, molecular mass is the sum of the mass of atom of each element in a compound. So it is 2 plus 16, which is equal to 18U. Next is carbon dioxide. One carbon has a mass 12, 2 oxygen with mass 16, so 2 into 16, 32 plus 12, that is 44U. C6H12O6 is for glucose, 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16, that is 72 plus 12 plus 96, which is 180U. So similarly, the molecular mass we can find for the remaining compounds. For another example, sucrose C12H22O11, it has a molecular mass of 342. Acetic acid has a mass of 60. NH3 17U. Ethanol 46U. Calcium carbonate 100U. Now, empirical formula mass is a mass of the atoms present in its empirical formula. So glucose का molecular formula है C6H12O6 and empirical formula है CH2O. So the empirical formula mass is, in this how many atoms are present? 1 carbon with mass 12, 2 hydrogen, 1 each, so 2, 1 oxygen with mass 16. So 30 U is the empirical formula mass. For water, the empirical formula and molecular formula is same, so the empirical formula mass is 18 U.